Hello and welcome. After recently purchasing my 2004 Lexus GX470 and driving it home back to Michigan from Virginia, I found a chipmunk living under the hood. Little did I know that wasn't the only digs that he had made for himself. Under the hood was just like the living room or something, because inside the car I found this. So I was driving the other day and all this stuff started coming out of the vents. So I figured, maybe I need to take a look at that. Yeah, that chipmunk really made its way in here. So I'm going to vacuum all that, clean it up, and figure out what the hell's going on. Whoop. Let's pull the dash. Let's pull the dash or the whole glove box out and see what's going on. So I lowered that bottom panel. Yep, it's just, I'm so lucky that it was not a mouse but a chipmunk. The reason why I say that is because I saw the son of a gun, and the guy lived on a property that had an acorn tree. So at least they don't like wires. Yeah, I'm playing it safe. I got a mask on and everything. Not good. Okay, so there's 5 screws that hold the glove box in, and 2 that hold that lower cover in, and this is what it looks like afterward. There's your blower motor, and there's the nest. Yep. Let me get some light in here. Where's my light? I think it needs batteries, but yeah, gonna have to clean all that out. Make sure everything's out so it doesn't keep blowing out at my feet every time. Yeah, look at that. All right, I'm gonna suck and then blow. So I just made it in time to the auto parts store before they closed. And this is after cleaning it. I mean, look how bad that is. I mean, you saw how much crap was in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this guy in here, blow out the rest of the dirt, and we'll get back to it. After popping the old filter out, you can see this thing was really dirty. So I went ahead and I used some Simple Green, good old stuff, sprayed it down, gonna let it soak for a second, then I'll clean it up and then put the filter in and put it back in the truck. Okay, so I vacuumed and then I blew some stuff out. Now the filter can go back in, and then I'll vacuum once more, as there's some stuff that came out after I blew it out, but I don't want anything else to get inside there. So this just slides right on in, just like that. And then I'll go ahead and finish cleaning up. Just so you know, if you ever want to change the cabin air filter, you have a screw here in the glove box. Let me get some more light on there. You got one here, one right next to the you have one here, one right next to the latch, and one in the corner, and 2 in the bottom corners underneath. And then the panel beneath that is just I believe it's 2 screws. They're all accessible with a Phillips or a, looks like a 10 mil, maybe an 8. No, it should be a 10. No, it's an 8. Okay, turn the heat on and change it through the different modes. Recirc and fresh air, change the temperature up and down, and yep, nothing's blown out anymore, so I think I pretty much cleaned it out. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and as always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.